My name is Nur Anisha binti Siti Biti. So my metric number is B03211047 So my group will discuss about brain tumor detection and segmentations. So this is my group members, Muhammad Afiq Ashraf bin Abu Samah, B0321100033. So the problem background is brain tumors is the uncontrollable growth of tissues that is unchecked by the checkpoint that normally controls cell growth. A primary or metastatic brain tumor can exist. A metastatic tumor is one that has spread to the brain from another part of the body. Brain tumors are one of the leading causes of deaths in both children and adults. One-quarter of all cancer deaths in children are caused by brain tumors. Furthermore, doctors discovered the best technique for treating brain tumor cases. Our team will apply MRI images that have been pre-processed using necessary techniques as morphological operations, as well as matlab algorithm to identify and distinguish brain tumors. So here is the methodology for the brain tumor detection and segmentation. So start and then go to the input, which is the original image will display, and then go to the pre-processing stage, which is the filter image. Then go to thresholding and then go to the morphological operation, which is the dilation, erosion, and bouncing box. Then uh, we'll turn to the output and then the stop. So this is the example for our source code. So this the program code for the function. This one is program code for the script. So here is the output. So my part will explain the original image. We input image, filter image, and the bounding box. Here is our demonstration MATLAB. I will explain about input image. So this line is connecting parts in I array horizontally using the struct function str equal str cat parts I, bringing in the str array using the imrange function. Then the output will show. Title that we set is input image. Font size is 10. So try to run it. Then the output will display like this. For the filter, this line num underscore iter equal 10 is the ignoring noise num iter parameter. Delta t equal 1 per 7 is for the differentiation percentage. Kappa and option is for the function for this one, which is the adaptive diffusion coefficient function for noise cancellation. So noise cancellation is done. The classify image of the tumor is displayed. The proposing image is weight. For this one, image size INP3 greater than 1 is INP RGB2 gray bracket INP. The tree is size referred to the third dimension, the second tree being compared to correspondent to the 3 RGB value. So the show INP, title, filter image, font size 10. Okay, try to run it. So the output will display like this. So the morphological operation in the code mentioned, we use BW label to find connected component within the image and attach label to the connect component. We calculate the density and area of individual connect region. So this one is we are using the bounding box solidity and area. Then we find the region with the maximum area in the particular region. We filter out pixel with density greater than 0.7. These pixels are identified as the tumor pixel if the maximum area is 200. Else, we conclude that there is no tumor region in the image. So I will pass the other parts to Muhammad Afiq Ashraf.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afiq Ashraf yang bersama. My matrix number is B03211033. So I will continue the presentation that was presented by my groupmate Anisha. So as we can see here, this is the output of our project. This is the input image, the filter image, bounding box, the tumor alone, tumor outline, and the detected tumor. So as my groupmate said, she did the original image, the input image, the filter image, and the bounding box part. While me, I did the tumor alone, tumor outline, and the detected tumor. So for the next part, the conclusion. The objective of this study is to segment a brain tumor in an MRI as accurately as possible with an image processing algorithm on matlab platform and illustrate the importance of this segmentation through a clinical evaluation of the tumor segmentation. In this experiment, we have used several techniques such as filtering, thresholding, morphological operation, and color image processing to divide the tumor part from the brain and detect it. This can help greatly for the healthcare industry to detect and segment the infected part of the brain. So I will continue to the coding part. So for the bounding box part, from here we can see that the declaration of the box equal to stats tumor underscore level, and then declare another, which is one box, equal to box the bounding box. Then the figure and show the bounding box. So try and run. And this is the title of the bounding box. I set the font size is 20. So for this part this is the rectangle of the box. This is the position of the box and the edge color. So this is the output of the bounding box. Basically, the bounding box is the smallest rectangle containing the region and represented by four values, which is x, y, w, and h. X is the coordinate of box starting point, y is y coordinate of box starting point, w and h are width and height of the bounding box. So for the next part is the getting the tumor outline by using image filling, eroding, subtracting. This is basically the morphological operation. So we set the dilation amount, which is 5, and we set the red equal to floor dilation amount. So the 5 will be in here and the declaration is in the red. So this is the size of the tumor, and the field image will fill the tumor. So these are the array bit and the position of it, and at the end we get the eroded image, which is represented by I and J, and we'll show uh, the eroded image. So from here is the result of the eroded image. And then for the subtracting, for this part is the subtracting eroded image from original BW image. From here we use tumor outline equal to tumor outline equal to eroded image equal to 0. So we declare it as 0. So we show the figure. So these are the tumor outline. And then we'll start inserting the outline, which is this outline, in the filter image in red color. So in this part, basically we are using the color image processing technique. So these are the RGB, red, green, and blue. So for the red, it's this one. So we set it with the pixel of it, which is 255. For green is 0, and for the blue part is 0. So that it will only show the red color of the box. So then we will insert the red, green, and blue that we declare out here with the number of pixels. So we show the V. So these are the result after we insert the OLED in the filter image with the color of red instead of white as we see just now. So we'll display all together. After we put all the technique together, which is from the original image, then we will filter image, and then we put the bounding box at the image that was filtered. So the function of the filter image is actually to enhance the tumor part. So these are the result after the bounding box. And then we separate it and just detect the tumor alone. And then we dilate and erode it and just take it the outline. And finally, the final function is the detected tumor. So that's all from me. Thank you.